How to add Pro Subscribe buttons in CapCut for free. So if you want to add Pro Subscribe buttons in CapCut for free, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, or you can choose Google. And after that, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for pixels.com. Once you search here, you will again get a search bar. Tap on the search bar and search for subscribe button. Once you've searched, you just need to simply head over to the video section. Under video section, now you will get all of the subscribe buttons. So you just need to simply go and download any one that you're comfortable with or that you like. So for example, I'll be choosing the first one. Tap on download and it will start the download process. Tap on allow, and once it's downloaded, you can open up the file, which looks like this. So what you need to do is just go with your CapCut. Once you open, you need to go with new project and select the video at first. So I'll be selecting a random video, and after that select the video that you've just downloaded. Once you've selected both of them, now you need to go with add, which is on the bottom right, and now you just need to simply go with the second video and select the second video, swipe right, and here you will have an option of overlay. Tap on overlay and it will bring that video to the bottom side. So you just need to simply select the video and drag it wherever you like. Once you've dragged, now what you need to do is just select the second video and you need to swipe right on the bottom and then tap on remove PG, tap on auto removal. Or if that doesn't work for you, then you can simply go with chroma key, which is on the right side, and then you need to pick the color. So I'll be choosing green, and after that you can go with the intensity. So I'll be choosing the intensity and then go with tick. And if you play the video, then you can see the subscribe button is like this. So you can simply adjust it. That's it. That's how you can add Pro Subscribe buttons in CapCut for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.